Alright, here we go. A blast from the past. This is going to be a 2003 Mercedes Dodge Sprinter van. Basically, they didn't lose the key. The key broke, but they don't have a good key. This is what they sent. Broken key. You can see it's really worn out real bad. So I'm probably not even going to fool with that key. I'm going to go ahead and decode this lock. Figure out what the exact cuts are. And then program it into the box. And that's about it. Really not much to say. Oh yeah, you don't have to send me keys. I have keys. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple of these blanks and add the cuts, but it's gonna be exact cut keys. It's not gonna be copies. I'm gonna cut it on my manual code machine once I decode and know the exact cuts. That way, I think part of the problem with this key breaking, it got so worn out it would get stuck sometime. And when you try to turn it, it gets caught, and then you just twist it. Some of y'all bend it back. As you bend it straight again, it gets weaker, and then eventually it just snaps. So that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit with this thing cut from scratch, and then the chips programmed into the box. So at this point, once this customer gets it back, it'll be plug and play. I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, this puppy's done. Really not much to say. I didn't even fool with this key. Like I said, I didn't trust that key, really. Here you go. This is what you want to see. Oh, here's the cuts. Cut from scratch. Each one is perfect. I cut this on my manual code machine, not my computerized. There you go. Bingo. Can't focus, but now look at that one. Big difference. You can see all the points from cut to cut. Exact. So anyway, nice spring action. This is what you want to see so it doesn't get stuck. Spring. And that's it. Both these keys have chips. Let's read the chips, make sure they're good. Based on the data, I'll be able to know which key it is. So, alright, that one ends in there. Okay, this is key number 2. Alright, this one ends in it. This is key number 1. That's about it. So both these keys are programmed to the box. Once this customer gets it back, plugs this back up, put his door back together. Well, he don't need the door to start it. But at this point, it's plug and play. So you need my help, give me a call. I've been doing a lot of these. Like I said, this is a blast from the past. There was a time I was doing a lot of Sprinter vans, making keys from scratch and everything like that, running on site and taking care of it. Now people just mail it to me. I got mechanics that mail me this stuff. So if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, how much, well, what it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, and what you need to send me. And then we go from there. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate you. Thank you.